My name is Nathaniel Omeyuma, and I'm from G Might Fashion Academy. I'll be taking you on a topic on manual illustration, and my topic is bohomier chic style. Here I have my croquis book. It makes everything easier. I advise you to get one. It makes your work easier. You can create your collection, you can create your designs on the croquis. It makes work easier for you. Here I have my felt pen, and I have my color pencils, and I have my pencil. Why don't you join me? Let's just go on a ride as we create our designs. Now this is the sketch work which I've done. Now I want to show you how to fix it on the croquis. Now first I will start with the neckline, creating a V neckline. I'm done fixing the clothes. Now let's color. The first thing I will do, I will try and color the skin first. Okay, now you can see I want to color the skin. So the first thing I advise you to do is to color your skin. I'm done now with the skin. We have come to an end of today's tutorial. See you next time. You can get a copy of this book from G Might Fashion Store on Instagram. Thank you.